Hello, everyone. Oh, let me adjust my angle here because this is not an attractive display here. Yeet. Do-do-do-do-do. There we go. A bit better. All right. Still pretty utilitarian, but there we have it. All right. Okay. Hello, everyone. Long time no see. Today, in this teacher hat day, I am going to show you guys subtraction strategies. We did the video on addition strategies. I'm going to try and keep it simple for y'all. All right. Because there's a few things that students struggle with when it comes with subtracting. One is counting backwards. One is knowing when to regroup. And then remembering the steps to do that. So I'm going to share out my screen and I am going to demonstrate a few things. All right. Let's see what I can do here. There it is, share screen, huzzah. There we go. Alrighty then, there we are. Okay, so I have 42 minus 27, okay? Now, one of the things that we recommend for students to do is we can draw an open number line. Line's a little wonky, oh well, too bad. Now, you may remember this from addition, only this time, what we can do is we can go backwards from 42, or we can start at 27 and count up. So whichever way works best for your kid, that's what I would say to do. So we're starting at 42. And then we count back 27. So that is 10, 20. So minus 10, minus 10. So I'm at 32 and 22. And then I can count back 7 minus 7. And all I'm doing is counting backwards here. So 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. The answer is 15. Okay. I can also do regrouping, which is what we normally did when we were in school. We may have called it borrowing, but it's regrouping. It's the same thing. I also tell students that they can draw a model. So I can do color tens and ones here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, and I have 2 ones. Okay. Now here's where it gets interesting. Kids have a hard time with this. If I have 2, can I take away 7? No, of course not. Now what their minds like to do is they like to flip it upside down and say, oh, 7 minus 2, that's 5. No, not quite. What we need to do is we need to regroup because we have 2, we can't take away 7. So we go to our next door neighbor, cross out a 10, and add 10 more ones over here with the 2 that we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So now I have 12 ones and I can take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How much do I have left? I have 5. So I have 5 ones and I have 1, 2, 3 tens, but I got to take away 2 of those now because we're still subtracting. 1, 2, I have 1 10 left. Oh, look, it's 15. The models are great because then your child can actually see and manipulate. If you have tens and ones at home, great, wonderful. A lot of us don't, and blocks will only take you so far. Legos will only go so far. So if they can draw it, absolutely wonderful. Now to show it as a proper regrouping, I have 2. I cannot take away 7. So I go over to the 4, cross out the 4, and turn it into a 3. Now I have 10 and 2 more. So I cross out the 2 and make it a 12. 12 take away 7 is 5. And 3 take away 2 is 1. Oh, look, 15. And we got it 3 different ways. Open number line, with the models, and with subtracting with regrouping. Hooray! So those are 3 different ways that you can work on subtraction with your child. You can have them draw it. They can do an open number line if that's what makes them happy. They can do regrouping like this. Another thing they can do is they can break apart the 10s and 1s. That gets a little messy in my opinion. But I'll show you because why not? This is the way your kid rolls. Most kids don't do it this way though. I will say that. And it's not comfortable in my wheelhouse. It might be comfortable in yours though. 42 take away 27. Now, if we break apart the 10s and the 1s, then what we end up doing is this. We have 42, and we're going to break up the 27 into 20 and 7. So I can already take away the 42, change that, take away the 20, and now I have 22. Now I have 7. And look at my ones place here. I have a 2. Well, I can break apart the 7 into 2 and 5 because 2 plus 5 gives us 7. So now I can take away my 2. And now I have 20. 20 minus 5 is a lot friendlier to deal with. So 20 take away 5 is 15. Oh, look, we did it again. Hot dog. Another strategy is compensation. And again, this one is not my favorite just because I'm not as comfortable with it, but it may be comfortable for your kid. And if so, then roll with it. As long as they know how to show their work, I'm a happy person. So we have 42 take away 27. Now, I can go either way here. 27 is close to 30. We just need to add 3 more, right? Now, whatever you do to one, you must do to the other. So if you add 3 to this number here, you have to add 3 to this one here because it's only fair, just like sharing with your siblings. 2 plus 3 is 5, so now I have 45. 45 minus 30 is a whole lot friendlier than 42 minus 27. Do we get 15? Why, yes, we do, because 5 minus 0 is 5, and 4 minus 3 is 1. Oh, look, there's that 15 again. So look at all the different ways you can show your subtraction skills. We got the open number line. We have the models. We have regrouping. We have breaking the 10s and 1s down. We have compensation, all the things. So if you ever see a question where it says, use compensation, well, now you know what it is. If they don't tell you a particular strategy, then use the one that works best for you. If they give you the option to use 10s and 1s, do it. If they give you the option to use your whiteboard or paper and pencil, do it. Because trying to do this mentally is not easy, okay? Not something I recommend at all. So there you have it. Several subtraction strategies to work out that regrouping going on there. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like these type of videos, please click like and subscribe and ding-a-ling the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.